Hello friends, welcome back. In this video we are going to design a alloy wheel. So at first choose front plane, make it normal and go for sketch. Now choose center line and from the origin point draw a center line. Okay, now choose line and make some line like this way. Okay, now choose smart dimension and keep the distance 25. Okay, and from here to origin point the distance will be 125. Okay, now from this point to origin point the distance will be 22.5 millimeter. Okay, and from this point to origin the height will be 70.5. Okay, and from this point it will be 102.5. Okay, and the angular distance of this inclined line will be 23. Okay, the height from this point will be 69 millimeter and this line will be 5 millimeter. Okay, and from the corner will be 25 degree and the length of this line will be 105. Okay, now see our sketch is fully defined. Just select this point, press Ctrl and this point, make them vertical. Okay, now see our geometry is fully defined. So go for sketch out, from feature choose revolved boss and base. Now see it's already take the origin point as a axis of revolution, so select OK. Okay, now choose this face, make it normal and go for sketch. At first choose center line and from the origin point draw a vertical center line. Okay, now choose circle and draw a circle here and keep the diameter of this circle 118. Okay, now choose line and from this outer circle draw a inclined line and make sure. Okay, now select this as go for convert entities and okay, now select this line, go for mirror entities and mirror it about this center line. Okay, now choose here from here tangent arc and draw a arc here. Now choose smart dimension and keep the angle 45 degree and this radius will be 16. Okay, this point press Ctrl and this circle, make it coincident. Okay, again select this point and this circle, make them coincident. Okay, now see our geometry is fully defined here. Just trim this outer circle and from feature go for extruded cut. Select this whole contours and from here choose through all. Okay, now we want multiple number of these extruded cut patterns, so from here choose circular pattern and features and faces. From here choose extruded cut 1. From here choose any circular edges and we want 5 number of patterns, 360 degree and equal spacing. Okay, see, okay, now choose front plane, make it normal and go for a sketch. At first select this line, go for convert entities. Now see, this line is converted, so choose center line and from the origin point again draw another vertical center line. Okay, now choose line and draw some line like this way. Okay, now choose this center point and this center point, make them horizontal. Okay, select this point and this point, make them horizontal. Choose. Okay, now choose smart dimension and from the origin point keep the length of this, sorry, from the origin point to this point keep the length 127.5 millimeter and from origin point to this point 130 and from origin point to this point it will be 137. Okay, and keep this length 24.5 millimeter. Keep the distance 115 and this line will be 54 millimeter and this radius will be 3 and this is also will be 3. Okay, now our geometry is fully defined. Choose OK and select this center line and delete it. Now go for sketch out. Okay, from features choose revolved boss and base and here also the origin center point automatically selected here as the axis of revolution. Okay, see, now select this face, make it normal and go for a sketch. Choose circle, from the origin point draw a circle. Now keep the diameter of this circle 84.06 millimeter. Okay, now select this circle and make it construction geometry. Okay, now choose hole wizard. From here choose this one and symmetric flathead screw, size will be M6 and fit normal. Now choose for position, select this face and make it vertical. Okay, now we want multiple number of this hole, so again choose circular pattern, and from here choose any circular face. We want 5 number, 360 degree and equal spacing. Okay, now see, and from here hide this construction line. Okay, now from here choose fillet and select all of these 5 edges and fillet them up to 10 millimeter. Okay, now choose chamfer, select this edge, here the distance 2 millimeter and the degree will be 45 degree. Okay, now see, this is our wheel, and now we will specify the material. From here choose 1060 alloy. Okay, and this is our alloy wheel. Now from here choose color. Select here the whole part. Okay, see, this is our alloy wheel. I hope you like this video. So friends, please don't forget to share, like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel to get more videos about SolidWorks projects and design. So thank you friends, thank you for watching this video.